Welcome to this video, Eze Ebube by Neon Adejo. I want to do it in the notes to guide those who may not really know how the song sounds in notes. And take note the song is in key D major. So me, do fa me. Decided not to put the notes, just to guide you with the notes only, not the beats. Not the beats, but I put the notes for the verse. More than my mouth can testify, more than my mind can comprehend. See, I've seen the wonders of your grace. I'm so sure that this is not the end. So me, the fa me. So me, the fa re do to do. Do so mi, do fa so mi, do la so mi do fa re do ti do. That could guide you. Okay, let's go to the next part. Eze Ebube, see how far you brought me. Eze Ebube, I'm so glad you found me worthy. So, do ti ti lati ti la so me. Do ti oh do ti lati ti la so me. Then I can see, I can tell, and I know is your grace. All my days I will sing your praise. Do re mi fa so, do la, so for me, re mi do. So this particular one, in terms of the chorus, you can see the beats and the notes, so you can know how to fill in. If you are a trumpeter, or you play bass guitar, or you play the drum, you know how to fill in with more beats or more sound. All right, so I hope you had a nice time watching. If you learned anything, you can give me a thumbs up, like the video, or you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you.